So huge shout out to AutoTecknic for sending me these smoke sequential turn signals for the Supra. They also sent me this carbon fiber gas cap, which looks super sick. This will just 3M tape onto here, like that. That already looks super cool. So then these smoke sequential turn signals, we replace these OEM ones, so we gotta take off the cap and plug these in. It'll look much cleaner with these because it'll go with the black of the carbon. And I'm really excited to see the sequential part. So the OEM one, it just blinks. This one is like a laser. Pew, pew. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the smoke sequential turn signals from AutoTecknic. You're gonna be replacing the OEM clear one with this nice smoke one. So first thing we're gonna do is pop off the mirror. And what makes it easier is if you actually lift the mirror up. So just adjust it up like that. So it helps you put a pry tool underneath to pop it out. Next we're gonna pop the cap off. So you're gonna have these tabs in here. So you're gonna push both of those two inwards. You can use that for that tab. You're gonna do one for a tab right here, and then another tab right here. So you kind of pinch these top two prongs inwards, and the cap will pop off. Next we're gonna do this torque screw. It's a T10. Yeah, it's T10, yeah. Nice. Nice. There's a gap right there, and it's not sitting flush with the tabs on the back side aren't sitting flush. So what we actually need to do is dremel out that small little portion. Just dremel some material out, and the side marker will sit flush, or the turn signal rather. Nice, so we're good. Everything lines up. Last step is to just pop the mirror back on. Nice.